Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Hey, good morning guys, I'm Clyde Demery and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. We at this place again that I did good on this morning, and I actually have another guy that's with me this morning. His name is
Curtis.
And we're going to see if we can find that big bass this morning, because you know it's best to do it while it's the cold seasons. They really produce big bass. So Curtis, you got anything you want to say?
Nah, just shout out to my boy Wahid, low budget fisherman. We're trying to do it. Let's go.
All right, so look, we'll see you guys on the water and see what we get. All right, let's go.
That's how you want to be on.
Oh, it don't matter.
It's your spot. I don't want to take over.
It don't matter, man. You good. There's enough water here for both of us this morning. Oh, what I'm throwing this morning, I am still throwing the lipless crankbait, silver and black back. Seem to be working this time of the year, so let's see if we can keep it working. Okay, I got something on. Got something. Just hooked into it. Hooked into something. Let's see. Fighting kind of strange. Oh. Okay. I know what it was. I was hooked into yesterday. It's these huge what do you think, shad? It looked like a shad is what it is. So let's get them off in the water. Let's get them back and let's see if we can catch bass today. All right, let's get this dude back in the water. And those things are big too, man. Big shad. Got something, y'all. Oh yeah. Something. Look into one. All right. Had a taste for that sexy shad. Got one, guys. Had a taste for that sexy shad this morning. Check that out. Hey guys, out here bright and early again this beautiful morning. Nice sunny day, bluebird skies. And I'm using the sexy shad crankbait and just got on my first one. You guys got to do some experimenting here. You know something? Now you see why I keep these things with me. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. So that's what that was.
I can't hear you.
Uh-huh.
Well, that bad boy big too. Take that home.
Oh, really?
No.
Stop playing, Curtis. Boy, you crazy. I can ready. You can have them. I'll get you a few more.
My wife said.
You can ready to tense up. Be still, buddy. Okay, go ahead and hit it. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can call these things the prehistoric fish of the water, but these guys have been around a long time. Check it out. You sure? He can't hurt you. Just watch his mouth.
Listen to my wife. But yeah, they say they real chill once you get him out the water. Like he ain't moving or nothing. You can throw him back on in there.
Still, buddy. I'll get you back in the water in a minute. Sometimes you catch things that you really don't want or you really don't ask for, but hey, it's a water species and it counts. Let's get his butt back in the water. Cause he was ready to tense up and start acting a fool. Oh, still got it. Okay. Okay. I think it's about time to go. I'll hook another shad. Because I know these things don't bite. Their mouths are so small. So let's get them off, get them back in the water safely.